What is up? What is up, guys? Oh, my battery's dead. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know I said the next video was going to be driving videos, but well, it's kind of in pieces, so going to be a couple weeks before it's back on the road. But we got some tasty mods to do, which I will show you now. So we've had some mechanical issues, which I'm not going to go into. It was a sponsored part, so I don't want anyone to do any hate. But we've got a new turbo, which I got from Levels Racing. I'll put them up on the screen. If you want any Pulsar turbos, make sure you check them out. I'll probably do a video next week fitting all the turbo and everything, because I'm still waiting for some little fittings and stuff. But yeah, so that's one thing I've got to do. Also, the wheels, if you watch the previous video, see I've had to move that back in so that the wheels don't poke out. Well, they still do a little bit. It doesn't drive nice when it's in there. It has to be here. So I ordered some new OverFenders, which are here. These are fibre factory ones. They are 120mm wider, so should be plenty. They're designed to work with Wisefab and stuff. So in today's video I'm going to be taking these ones off and then painting them and putting them on. And then I can pull this out and then hopefully the wheel doesn't poke out anymore. Well, I measured it all and these will actually sit in a little bit, so I'm probably going to have to run like a 20mm spacer or something to make it look nice. But they're basically the same OverFenders as Ross has got on his. Well, they are exactly the same ones. Yeah, there's Blakey boy hard at work. On the ganja man. Chillin' man. I'll blur that out. I don't know how friendly YouTube is. But yeah, I mean, this thing is so much fun. But it'll be working soon. And also I'm gonna weld some bungs on here and here for the water lines for the new turbo as well. The new turbo should sound sick. Hopefully all goes well and I don't blow up another turbo. I didn't blow up a turbo. What you? Yeah. Yeah, I've had two of them. Juice. Too much boost. So yeah, let's start taking them off, which is not going to be fun. Even though I literally fitted these like a couple of weeks ago. Right, wish me luck. Yeah. I've got to drill all them rivets out. Oh, no way. Old OverFender off? Shall I just leave it like that? Blake's building an R32. Pretty nice. Yeah. These look so good. I just test fitted them, but I'm going to drill some holes and put them on before I show you guys. But that would look pretty sick, wouldn't it? There we go. She is weld. Yeah, I picked that up. Yeah, we've got a pet pigeon over there as well. It can't fly, so it just stays in the garage. What should we call it? Bud.
Zimmer.
Zimmer. That is chunky. Obviously we've got these extensions as well that go like so it fills it out. But oh, actually going to stay there. Yeah. And obviously, yeah, I still need to bring the wheel out, so then it'll be nice and flush and should look pretty nice. I shall paint it tomorrow. I'm going to finish putting it all on. I've only got two holding it on at the moment, but it's going to look good. Alright, so I went and bought some rivets, so all riveted on now. Now, just need to take the wings off and then sand it down and paint it. Many hours of sanding incoming. Excited, Ross?
Hello, the people on the internet. Let's go.
We've been watching too much Night Ride. We've also got this door that we got quite a while ago, because the passenger door on this, the window don't work. I've changed the regulator and it still messes around, so we just got another door. So we might as well paint this at the same time.
Make sure it works first.
Yeah, we probably should try it out, shouldn't we? It'd be a mission to get to there, though, wouldn't it? I don't know, but yeah, let's crack on. Alright, so we've got them all sanded down, doing the door as well. Oh, I just threw up in my mouth. Oh, that was disgusting. But yeah, we've even wet the floor, going full professional now. Try and stop a little bit of the dust because the floor is just obviously covered in dust, but Ross has got them all cleaned down. Now I'm going to lay some primer, let that dry for an hour or so, give it a quick sand and then go on to the colour. Let's do this.
It's that hard to see where he's spraying because it's that same colour as the door, isn't it?
Alright, primer is all done. We've also sanded it down with a sanding pad. And now it's time for the actual colour, which is obviously the BMW Velvet Blue. Give this a good shake and then yeah, let's start laying some colour. Hopefully it will look sweet. Boop, boop.
If you ever do painting, make sure you wear a mask. Max wants to get cancer.
It's only the lack of it.
Yeah.
Wow! It's so beautiful. Turned out mint, look at that. Wetting the floor definitely helped loads. There's way less dust on it. Like there's a few tiny little bits of dust, but it's actually not too bad. Pretty nice. Lovely jubbly, the door came out good. I'll let it dry for a bit longer. The bloody fly landed on there. And then I'll peel the tape off, but yeah, I'll pop it back on the car tomorrow. For now I'm going to jack the car off and bring the wheels back out because like I explained earlier, I brought them in to be able to drive it. But let's do that again. It's not fun to be honest, but let's do it. Alright, I'm also just drilling some holes in the thermostat because I am going to weld on these bungs for -6 lines for cooling for the turbo. I've also already done this on the upper hose that sort of goes like this, so I've done that. Now I just need to do this one, and that is the other one. Gonna weld that on there. There we go, looking lovely. No more poke, well still a tiny bit, but that's all right. And also got all the new door on. This looks lovely, fresh mate. Actually the window actually works, which is nice. I still need to put the door panel on, but that's all right. But yeah, before the window hasn't worked the whole time we've had this car, so it's been very annoying. And now we've got a freshly new door on there with a working window. I just need to get some spacers on the rear because the wheel's quite sunk. I reckon maybe a 20 or 25 might do the job. Got 20 on Ross's car, so we're gonna try that on there and see what it's like, and then I'll order some. But I think it might need a bit bigger, like a 25, maybe even a 30, I don't know. We shall see, we'll get to that. But it's looking lovely. Looks so good. I feel like I need to paint the rest of the car now, because although it's the same colour, but obviously this one's like 25 years of fading and this one's brand new, so it is slightly lighter this, but I don't know, it'll be alright for now. I've practically painted every panel on the car at this point. It's just the bumper, nose cone and hood really that's left. Everything else I think is freshly painted, well, and that the driver's door. But yeah, she looks good. Look at that. Meaty, meaty. On the next video as well, I'll show you the new turbo, because I'm going to get them little bits welded up that I just showed you, and then I've got all of the fittings and turbo and everything ready to go on, so I'll show you all of that. But that is going to be it for today's video. I know it's a random one, doing OverFenders again, which we've done a million times at this point, but it needs to be done because it was undrivable with the crazy amount of camber that it had before. Now it should drive lovely. There's only like maybe 2 or 3 degrees of camber now, so it's pretty nice. A few bits. I want to get all the ride height all dialed in exactly where I want it as well, and then I can finally get a proper alignment, because at the moment it's got an eyeball alignment. Surprisingly, it actually drove pretty straight, but it's definitely got too much toe in or toe out. I don't know, it feels a bit weird, but yeah, we'll get that done. I've also got new seats to go in there. Treated myself to some nice seats, because them ones are juniors, so they're a bit tight. So I'll show you them in a future video as well. Yeah, just getting there. Spend more time working on these things than we do actually driving them. Oh well. Should be having some fun in it soon. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Forgot to say that then. But yeah, see you in the next one. Goodbye.